Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite. First, you'll want to download the game, which is completely free on most major platforms like PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, and mobile devices. Once installed, you can jump into different game modes. I recommend starting with the Battle Royale or Zero build modes to get a feel for the core gameplay. The in-game tutorial is also a great way to learn the fundamental controls and mechanics. Fortnite's core gameplay revolves around a few key mechanics. Building is crucial in Battle Royale. You can quickly construct walls, ramps, and floors for cover or to gain a height advantage over opponents. Always be on the lookout for loot, which includes weapons of varying rarities, shields, and health items. Remember to keep an eye on the storm circle, as it shrinks throughout the match, forcing players closer together and dealing damage if you're caught outside. When engaging in combat, understanding your weapons is key. There are assault rifles, shotguns, SMG, and snipers, each with unique effective ranges and damage outputs. Always use the environment to your advantage, whether it's hiding behind a rock or using a building for cover. If you're playing with friends in duos or squads, communication is vital for successful pushes and revives. A well-coordinated team often has a significant edge. To truly master Fortnite, keep practicing and experimenting. Completing daily and weekly quests is an excellent way to earn experience points and level up your account. Consider purchasing the Battle Pass to unlock hundreds of cosmetic items, including outfits, emotes, and even some V-Bucks. Don't be afraid to try new weapon combinations or drop spots. Finding what works best for your playstyle will significantly improve your game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.